Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be checking out the Defender Pro for the Galaxy Note 20. And I picked this up from Best Buy, so it is the Pro version. They have a Pro and then just the regular Defender. The Pro has like an antimicrobial coating on the case to help protect the case. I don't really know what it's for, but that's the one Best Buy sells. So that's the one I got. The Pro also has these lines on it. The regular one is just a flat black. So we're going to go ahead and pop this open. It does say that this case is 5G compatible, so we'll see what that's supposed to mean. I'm guessing it means it doesn't block the signals for 5G, so right there on the front, 5G compatible. So we're going to take this out of the box and install it on my Note 20. Let's see, they do have some new packaging, so take that out. That is kind of clipped onto the back, and it shows you how to install it under the belt clip and all that kind of stuff. Let's see, so we'll just press that down and slide that out of there. I don't really need the instructions. I do want to see what this 5G compatible means. Designed for Samsung. I don't see anything necessarily about the 5G. Oh, let's see. It's on here. When used with a 5G device, performance may vary with the case or cover. Okay, so I guess it's just saying it doesn't really affect that. Check your network availability, blah, 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 blah. So here's the case right here. We'll put it on and then we'll go over the case. Pull everything off. As always, the new ones are a little bit tight to get apart, but this one's actually not too bad. Let's see if we can do it halfway and slide it in, and we can. Put that back on, and button everything back up here with the rubber. Make sure you get the corners on good. Those are the toughest spots, especially when these are new. Like I said, everything is stiff. There we go. So that's what it looks like. And again, coming back to the plastic back on the Note 20, you can't even tell now. It's, so if you're worried about the plastic back on the Note 20 and you plan on putting a case on it, don't even worry about it, because you can't tell with a case on at all whatsoever. It's like a normal phone now. You can't tell whether the back's glass, plastic, rubber, doesn't matter at all. So obviously the phone still functions normally. The screen and everything is the same. There's no screen protector on this case. It's just a flat front. It does protect the screen though with the raised top and bottom pieces here. And then there's not much of an edge because this doesn't have a curved screen, so there's no need for it. We've got your buttons right here on the side. Camera cutout. It's recessed a little bit so it'll protect your camera. Right here we have your charge port, plenty of room to get a USB-C cable in there, microphone cutout, and your whole corner right here is basically cut out for your S Pen, so you can definitely get a finger or even a thumb in there to get your S Pen and put it back in. So that is very nice. Snaps into the belt clip like so. You can also, of course, reverse it like this, and it will clip in on either side. You can flip that, click that into place right there, and you have a stand. A lot of people don't know that actually acts as a stand. And then to release that, just push on the top right there, and you're back into belt clip mode. So there you go. That is the Otterbox Defender series, the Defender Pro for the Note 20 5G. I'm Colin with Techout. Check out the links down in the description below for some cases on Amazon. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.